Guten Tag alle, heute wollte ich ein kurzes Video über die Zeiten machen und wie man dann die verschiedenen Zeiten erkennen kann. So today we're going to talk about tenses. I'm going to start with just the six most important tenses. Das Präsens, or the present tense. In German, this is accomplished mostly through adding the endings s1010, as I like to say. And that's for weak verbs. Irregular verbs don't follow that rule, but in general, the verbs will end in these endings. So, for example, ich schlafe in meinem Bett, spielst du Fußball, ich trinke ein Glas Wasser, und was siehst du? So even strong verbs like sehen follow this ending more or less. They have the stem vowel change, in this case sie, from ze, and then they add the st. Weak verbs, like I said, all do this. For example, lernen, ich lerne, du lernst, lernt, wir lernen, ihr lernt, sie lernen. Okay, the second tense is imperfect, or the past tense. In English, sometimes we refer to it as the simple past. Ich schlief in meinem Bett. Spieltest du Fußball? Ich trank ein Glas Wasser. Und was sahst du? Again, for weak verbs, they simply follow a pretty standardized rule, and that rule is they end in these endings, ta, tes, ta, ten, tet, ten. So again, with lernen, ich lernte, du lerntest, lernte, wir lernten, ihr lerntet, sie lernten. But there are also strong verbs like ich schlief or ich trank. Okay. Then you have das Perfekt, or the present perfect in English. Present is really referring to the helping verb, which can be haben or can be a form of sein. So this is going to be in the present tense. And this is also going to have a past participle or Partizip 2. And this will normally be at the end of the sentence unless there's a subordinating conjunction or some other device that affects the word order. So, ich habe in meinem Bett geschlafen. Hast du Fußball gespielt? Ich habe Wasser getrunken. Was hast du gesehen? Okay, then there's the Plusquamperfekt, or in English we refer to it as the past perfect. This is indicated by the past tense of the helping verb, either haben or sein, and then the past participle located normally again at the end of the sentence. Ich hatte in meinem Bett geschlafen. Hattest du Fußball gespielt? Ich war nach Atlanta gegangen. Was hattest du gesehen? You notice in that third one, ich war nach Atlanta gegangen, that this is using sein as the helping verb. And for more information on what verbs use sein versus haben as the helping verbs in the perfect tense, you'll want to check out our video over that topic. Okay, das Futur, the future. It's relatively easy to form in German. One note is to say that the present tense can sometimes mean the future in German. So ich lerne Deutsch can also mean I will learn German. But a more clear indication, at least of the future, is werden, will. And whenever you use werden, you're going to have it conjugated there, and then you're also going to have the infinitive form of the verb at the end when you're using werden as will. Werden has many meanings, so you want to watch that as well. Ich werde in meinem Bett schlafen. Wirst du Fußball spielen? Ich werde ein Glas Wasser trinken. Was wirst du sehen? And finally, das Futur 2, or the future perfect as we call it in English. This is indicated by a conjugated form of the verb werden, a past participle of the secondary verb, and then the helping verb or auxiliary verb at the end in its infinitive form. This can be haben or sein. So, ich werde in meinem Bett geschlafen haben. Wirst du Fußball gespielt haben? Ich werde ein Glas Wasser getrunken haben. Wo wirst du gegangen sein? So these are all examples of the future perfect, or the Futur 2. Well, this is just simply an overview. We will practice more with these later, identifying them and being able to tell what they mean. Vielen Dank und auf Wiedersehen.